Add the onions, gram flour, red chili flakes, and kofta masala. Mix well. Add salt, and mix well. Add oil to the pan. Let the oil heat up, then add the onions. Cook until they are golden brown in color. Add the ginger and garlic pastes and mix well. Prepare some kofta balls whilst the onions are cooking. Add the green chilies and tomatoes. Mix well. Add the cumin seeds, dry coriander, kofta masala, red chili powder, red chili flakes, salt and turmeric. Mix well. Prepare another pan and heat the oil to cook the kofta balls. Fry the kofta balls until fully cooked. Add yogurt to the gravy. Mix well. The kofta balls are now crispy brown. They are fully cooked. Remove them from the pan. Add water according to how thick or thin you like the gravy. The more water you add, the thinner the gravy gets. Mix well. Once the gravy has boiled, add the kofta balls to the gravy. Add some fresh coriander. Stir well. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Your kofta balls are now ready to eat. Serve with bread, or naan, or chapatis.